I'm Zahidul Islam. Today, I will critically analyze the novel or evaluate the novel written by Albert Camus. The name of novel is Stranger, sometimes called Outsider. I will define it later. What is the difference between outsider and what is the difference between stranger? Why it is two name is given in this novel. The Albert Camus is a French writer, philosopher, journalist. He was also awarded Nobel Prize in Literature. The title of my topic is Analysis of Stranger. I have divided my topic into four subtopics. First one is introduction, second one is analysis of title, third one is feminism, and fourth one is existentialism. In introduction part, I will talk about the why two names have been given and about the story. The novel Stranger is puzzling, ambiguous novel written by Albert Camus, first published in French in 1942 as a Le Stranger. Originally, this novel is written in French language, and Le Stranger is a French name. Later on, it was published as an outsider in England and as a stranger in United States. The major theme of this novel is the including alienation, separation, isolation, absurdity. The Mirasol is a triangular stranger. His life is full of dull empathy, and that's the reason he takes a little pleasure in living. He believes that the world is an absurd place, ungoverned by reason, and that is the reason his action killing a Arab man mean nothing to him. Mirsol is a nihilist, and that is the reason he does not think that it is important to be moral or behave in a way that benefit others. That's why he is not behaving morally. One of the main theme of this novel that is presented is the living a living a life in the midst of absurd and universe. In analysis part, we analyze the title, what is the importance of title, why the name stranger or outsider is given. So the actual title of the novel is Le Stranger, that is in French, which has three different meaning in English: foreigner, stranger, and outsider. This translation do have opposing nuance of meaning. Foreigner means cultural and custom difference. Stranger suggests social isolation or absence of social interaction, contact, relationship, marriage, family, neighbor on an individual level. And the outsider means the personal behavior of an idiosyncratic. The novel is named as a stranger or outsider in the reference to our main hero, our main character, Mirsault. He is removed from the society, unconnected from society. He is a totally different guy. He's from other people mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. He does not hold the expectation or belief that was exist in society. Mirsol is alienated guy. He is isolated from society, friend, lover, human emotion, eventually from normal logic. He does not share his society's convention notion about death, religion, family, friendship, love, marriage, and ambition. He also managed to reveal that without realizing it that those convention notions are often shallow and constitute the pathetic invention of society. Now we'll look the novel through the feminism perspective and analyze the novel through the feminism perspective. In the novel, women are depicted or presented as an insignificant being. They are just born to serve materialistic purpose, and that is the reason the women are given minor role to play in the novel. Throughout the text, Mirsol, our main character, used his lover Maria simply to satisfy his own physical need without giving much focus to her inner feeling and emotion. The purpose of woman is just to satisfy male physical need. The Mirsa's action and attitude toward his relationship with Maria is representative of his action and attitude in general. He's only motivated by physical and concerned only with himself. While Maria truly loves and wants to be with Mirsol after their meeting, Mirsol does not show the same compassion, emotion, feeling, and romantic aura. For example, Maria and Mirsol's relation only indicate Mirsol's lack of an emotional appetite for her, and also with the mother death of Mirsol, he remained virtually unchanged in his thought and desire. All of this point leads us to Camus' depiction of women as ultimately insignificant in the novel, and showed that women do not have much thing to do except the fulfill the desire of male. Now we'll analyze the novel through existentialism perspective. The novel presents the dilemma of absurdity and also demonstrated the dark side of human nature, such as indifference and insensitivity to a relationship. The hero, Mersal, shows a detachment not only from society but also from women. He does not cry at his mother's death. Even he does not remember the date of his mother's death. He does not seem to feel any sense of grief which is expected from him in such a time when his mother death at the time of his mother death. When he is asked what kind of funeral he wants and if he wishes to see his mother at last time, but he refuses. He instead smoke and drink coffee at his mother's death. He feels no sense of grief. Mirsalt is unable to feel the emotion he is expected to, hence looks to himself as a stranger in the society. He does not sympathize with the Ramon's ex-girlfriend when she is brutally beaten. He does not love his own girlfriend, even though he admittedly enjoy her company. Both both this point highlight his robot-like detachment. He behaving like a machine, shows no emotion, no feeling. He even doesn't feel anything as other human beings feel. A similar moment occurs when Mirsad and his girlfriend Maria discuss about love and marriage. The reader is surely made uncomfortable by Mirsad Mirsault replied that he does not know what love is, but that he is willing to marry Maria if she wants it. It is, however, different water of discomfort that overcomes the reader when Maria insists that marriage is very serious matter, and Mirsault calmly replies that it is not. Mirsault seems to be interested in physical aspect of life more than the emotional side. That's all about the analysis of a stranger. Thank you.